one of the must-cover events at this World Cup is the Diego Maradona press conference, and the Argentinian head coach held one of those yesterday, and as usual, we were entertained. If you didn't arrive early, you couldn't get in. Standing room only. And when the master of ceremonies finally arrived, he was in fine form. Birthday greetings to a longtime member of the Argentinian media. His team's strong opening match must have had him in a good mood. In particular, the play of his star, Lionel Messi.
Ninguno se le acercó al rendimiento de Messi.
Nobody has played as well as Messi in this World Cup so far. Nobody has even come close to Messi's level. That's the reason I'm feeling all right.
Por eso estoy tranquilo.
The most fiery Maradona got was when asked about those who've been critical of his coaching, such as the great Pelé himself and former French star Michel Platini, both FIFA endorsers of the new ball.
Sabemos todo cómo son.
We all know how French people are, and Platini, being French, he thinks he's more important than everybody else.
Más que todo el mundo. Yo le pediría.
I would ask Pelé and Platini that sometime they had a look at the ball. They should look at the ball to see whether it's a good or a bad ball. And they should stop talking trash about myself.
Y que se dejen de hablar boludeces de mí.
But his stay with us didn't end on a sour note. He seemed to perk up after one journalist remarked that the games were boring so far.
Increíble.
I am not worried about the lack of goals. They will come. I am having a great time here. I'm on cloud 9. To me, just to be at the World Cup, it's incredible.
And of course, Diego Maradona would have fond memories of the '86 World Cup when the Argentinians won it all. One thing, though, he doesn't have fond memories of is a game against Korea in which he was kicked. And the player who kicked him, well, the head coach of South Korea today, Hao Chong-moo.
Thanks so much, Brenda. Great stuff. And here's some video from the '86 World Cup when Hyo Jung-moo and Maradona went head-to-head. The South Korean coach of today marking Maradona on that day, and I think he left a mark with that one. It was said afterwards by Maradona, in fact quite recently, that on that day South Korea played taekwondo and not football. Guys, Diego with a good memory, and a memory that shapes things the way he'd like to see them play out. Your thoughts on seeing the video from back then, Nigel?
Well, it brings back wonderful memories, of course. Now